If you are a student, a developer, or a small company and you're searching for the API keys and you're going to American models, you are confused between both the American and the Chinese models, then there is actually a solution in the market. And I think don't know about it. So watch the video till the very end to get to know about this. And we will get the API keys with the exact pricing detailed given on the website, and it's not like clickbait. So watch the video till the very end and I'll show you how to do it. So I'm talking about the open router where you will get all the API keys for different kinds of AI models that are available on the internet, and you will know the exact pricing on this website, and like explore each and every model, and with the better uptime, like nothing, like 99.99% of uptime, with no other subscription, a single costing, just you have to like recharge a prepaid recharge and you can use it without any worries. So let's get. So first of all, you need to open the website, that is OpenRouter.ai, and you have to just log in. I have simply logged in already, so you have to just log in on the website, and you have to then go to models that you want to use. If you have a good knowledge in which AI models to use, when it comes to popular AI models like the Claude, you have different kinds of AI models like the Claude Opus 4.7, 4.8, Sonnet 5, 4.6, and even the Fable 5. You can simply use it. But when you see the cost, that is the Claude Opus 4.7, it has it is around $5 with 1 million input tokens, and when it comes to output tokens it costs around $25. And even with the Fable 5, it has great cost, like input tokens around $10, and when it comes to output tokens it is around $50. Hold on. Then comes the Gemini. Google Gemini has different kinds of AI models that you can use for day-to-day task. It is around 1.01 like trillion tokens, and you will get around like 0.50 per million input tokens and around $3 per million output. So that's the cost, and you can simply compare it with other models, other AI models, and it has already has multiple AI models with with image generation, audio generations, and video generations. So you can simply use into your projects, and there are various features of the website, like with the live chat, you can simply chat with the model you can use, and yeah, you can compare it with different AI models side by side to actually get the best output and which model to use into your project. So you can also integrate with Hermes Agent, OpenClaw, and much more that are actually open source and will simply live in on your PC. So that's all for today. And if you want to get some great updates regarding AI, then you should follow me at Priority. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your developer friends. So it's Rishikesh signing off.